Thank you very much, Mr. Xaso. You may as well proceed to give a report about the plans we have with regards to the Section 194 inquiry report.
All right. Thank you, Madam Speaker. The report, as indicated, has been finalized. Section 194, and as well as the appointment of the public protector matter has been, those two issues have since been finalized. The proposal is that these matters be dealt with in a physical sitting on the 11th of September at the City Hall at 2 o'clock. So 11th is a Monday, so that will be dealt with at 2 o'clock. That is a report I would like to give, Madam Speaker. And I might just indicate that, but I'm sure Chief Whip will indicate that there was a discussion of this matter at the Chief Whips Forum, and the Chair of the Chief Whips Forum will give a report in that regard. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Xaso. Honorable Chief Whip, will you please give a report of the Chief Whips Forum?
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker and colleagues. Honorable Speaker, indeed, we have discussed this matter. We have looked at the program of Parliament, the availability of City Hall. City Hall is only available on the 11th. We are quite aware that 11 is a constituency day. In the Chief Whips Forum, we discussed and agreed that let's utilize the 11, request our caucuses as well as the leadership of various parties to allow us to use the 11th of September on a Monday for a physical sitting to deal with both items. Because if we don't in September, it might take us up to November, which is something that we don't want to prolong these two matters. The parties that were present, the parties that were present in a meeting yesterday, they agreed except one party that was still going to consult. But the majority of parties, we agreed for the 11th and that the session must start at 2 o'clock because we know the scarcity of flights to allow members to travel on Sunday as well as Monday morning. That was the report from the yesterday's meeting of the Chief Whips Forum. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Whip. Honorable members, in the discussions we have had with both the Chief Whip and Mr. Xaso, we agreed that we will deal with both matters on Monday, which means we will deal with the matter of the Section 194 report, which relates to the Public Protector, Mkhwebane. And then following that, we will then consider the report of the ad hoc committee, which was mandated to select an incoming public protector. So we want to deal with both matters on the same day because of the challenges of the venue. Is that agreed, honorable members? Shall we then proceed? It seems to me there was agreement.
Honorable Speaker, yes, we further proposed that let's finalize the matter today here in the NAPC in terms of the voting procedure. We said the voting procedure should be a roll call, a voting procedure that we have used in the previous sittings. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Okay, thank you very much. Honorable members, there was a meeting of the Chief Whips Forum yesterday, and I'm aware that these matters were tabled there and discussed as reported by Mr. Xaso. The issue is now, as raised by Honorable Chief Whip, that we should use, there's a proposal that we use roll call as has been done before. I see a hand of Honorable Singh.
Yes, good morning, Speaker.
Followed
good
by
morning,
Honorable
Good morning, Speaker, and good morning to all the colleagues that are online. Yes, we did agree yesterday, Honorable Speaker, but in line of what the Chief Whip has said, I think we must prepare for a late evening because if we have to go through both the debates and and the voting. It's going to be a late evening, and I think we need to bring that to the attention of our members. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Singh. Honorable Kwahube, followed by Honorable Jakude.
Thank you, Speaker. Yes, we did agree yesterday, and we are certainly of the view that considering the special majorities that are needed for both the 194 and the Public Protector Ad Hoc Committee, we think that it's of absolute importance that not only is it a physical sitting, but there is a roll call vote, because we want to make sure that as Parliament, we are not found wanting in terms of this process, as it's taken us long to get here. So we are certainly in agreement with those arrangements. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Honorable Kwahube. Honorable Jakude.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. I want to support the proposal made that it should be a roll call. Honorable Speaker, thank you. The voting on that day.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable members, it's agreed by all of us. I don't see any other hands. This matter was discussed yesterday. This is just for finalization of the matter, that we will use a roll call on both votes which are required on Monday the 11th, both for the removal of the Speaker of the PP, as in Section 194 committee, and then for the election of the incoming Public Protector.
Please don't remove yourself, Speaker. Please don't remove yourself.
You don't want me to remove myself?
Yes.
No.
Maybe I'm in a hurry to give space.